Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So this is Akposent Farms. This farm is located in Isoko, South Local Government Area along Aviara Road in Delta State, Nigeria. This farm is currently on sales of fingerlings and standard post fingerlings. In case you are interested in their seeds, they have over hundreds of thousands of fingerlings and standard posts currently available for sale. You can see how large they look. They have hundreds of thousands here in this particular vat. This vat is of 10 feet by 20 feet size. So you can see how large it looks. This is the next vat. They have hundreds of thousands of them available now, which they are currently on sales. They have large quantity of fingerlings, standard post, and they are of uniform size. So you can call the on-screen contact to book yours. They are very genuine. We have done our own research. There are no scammers. They have these seeds available for sale, and you can contact them via the on-screen phone number to book yours. They have them surplus in some other vats also. You can see how black the pond looks. It's to tell you how large they are. If you can't see the underneath pond, so they are so large, they are so surplus, and they are well sorted and of uniform size. Like I said earlier, they can deliver no matter the location. They can deliver to you no matter the location. As far as you are in this country, they can deliver anywhere you are. Just call the on-screen phone to book yours today. And it's always advisable you purchase, you get your fingerlings, your post fingerlings from a single source, because it really helps when issues sets in. Maybe when you have some issues on your farm, maybe disease outbreak or some other issues, you would be able to identify and detect whose source of fish is giving you issues. So it's always advisable you get your seed from a particular source. So we are recommending this farm today. You can call them, call the on-screen number like I said earlier, to book your seed today. So that will be that for today. If you need any of these seeds, call the on-screen phone. The voice you'll be hearing next is the voice of the CEO.
This is my farm, Akposent Farm. Make your demand, make your order. Any numbers of fingerlings and post fingerlings you need, I can supply them. Make your demand.
So thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.